About that today. 15 bucks. Let those coals cook the new out of it. It's 200S. John's Farm. I can go up that one. That was straight shot.
Oh, well, right as soon as you get at the top, it turns into a straight.
Right, a straight embankment, right.
Ah!
You should have fucking had a helmet on. He made it. That thing don't even give a fuck. That bike don't even give a fuck.
Mine is like, yeah. Come on, Clark, that one. Huh? That one. Not the one I just did.
No, the one right in the middle. Right there, yep.
Yeah.
All the way up.
Where? You gotta make your squat, man. You run shit over. Yes, you good. You don't going down here. Something's broke on the four-wheel drive on that though. It makes a hellacious noise when you turn left.
Look at that. What a brave soul. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Go! Stay on that motherfucker!
Don't you fucking let off. Oh my god. Oh my god. You really made a fucking trail too. You really did. I was like, where the fuck is he going up there? I don't even see it. Oh, you have to do it. Oh, that was fucking wonderful. That was wonderful. Yeah, John won't do that one.
If he does,
Oh shit. That was amazing. Dude, he's like, I can't believe he even listened to you. I'm like, the last 15 foot of that, I'm like,
oh my god, when I got to the top, I'm like, what am I doing? You get up there and you go right around those trees. Oh, you did different?
You started that motherfucker! You fucking son of a bitch! Get up there! Give it fucking gas! It's insane! I can't believe it.